In the hustle and abound of the modern lives, we often find ourselves caught in a whirlwind of academic responsibilities. From attending classes and completing assignments to preparing for exam, the demand of academy can seem overwhelming. However, it is crucial that we don't let these responsibilities consume us entirely. For a well-run life, as well encompasses a fulfilling personal life, balancing academic responsibility with the personal life is not only essential for our overall well-being, but also for our long-term success. Let us first consider the importance of academic responsibilities. Education. Yes, that's true. Education. Education is the key to unlocking our potential and achieving our goal. It provides us with the knowledge, skills, and opportunities. We need to thrive in our chosen field by fulfilling our academic responsibility. We are investing our future and laying foundation for our successful career. Moreover, academic achievement can boost our self-esteem and confidence, giving us sense of accomplishment and pride. However, while academic success is important, it should not come at expense of our personal life. Our personal life is what makes us who we are outside the classroom. It includes our relationship with families and friends and habits, interests, our physical and mental health, and our overall happiness. Neglecting our personal life can lead to stress, burnout, and sense of isolation. It can also have a negative impact on our academic performance, as we may find difficult to focus and concentrate when we are feeling overwhelmed or unhappy. So finally, it is important to remember that balance is not something that we achieve in an overnight. It is a continuous process that requires effort and commitment. There will be times we need to make sacrifice and just our prioritize in order to meet demands in or academy in our personal life. However, as long as we mindful our goals and values, we make conscious and effort to take care of